Well, we're back here with the Bonneville, Salt Lake City KSL North Production Studio. And one of the questions that I'm often asked is about reboot time. And when we're dealing with an AOIP system, we've got a couple things to factor. One is the reboot time of the hardware itself, or our WheatNet hardware IP devices, console, blades, and the second is the Cisco switch. So what I'm going to do is I prepared a few tests today to show you the reboot time of each. So the first thing I'm going to do is we're going to start with the WheatNet blades. I have these isolated on their own switch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reach over and turn them off. And then what we'll do is I'll tell you when I turn it on, and we'll see how long it takes for everything to come back natural in the studio. So as you can see, shortly after a few moments, the blades are going to come back up. You'll see these connect, and then the system will actually restore itself exactly where it was with the audio. The console channel will be on, program will start. And there we have it, folks. Walk over, turn the audio up, and the song ends. All right, so that was just a reboot of the Wheatstone hardware itself. So the next one we're gonna do is I'm just gonna pull the power on the Cisco switch, and we'll leave the hardware connected as is, playing music, cue audio, and now I'm just gonna reboot the Cisco itself. So I've got that out, you'll see everything stopped, it's exactly where it was. And now we're gonna plug in the Cisco. This particular Cisco is a 3560 Catalyst CX series. Depending on the model and the series, you will have different boot up times. Luckily for you today, Bonneville spent some good money on switches, so we've got a few different ones to test here today at the Wheatstone factory. Here it comes, ports are lighting up. There you have it. Everything right back where it was. The automation system kept playing. Presumably we had silence detection turned on, so audio was routed directly to the rack room to the transmitter. But that's just one more reason why we were going to put our high-end stuff like switches and blades where appropriate on UPSs in the studio. Thanks for your time. Stay tuned for more video from the KSL rack room.